autos era. Buckle up and get ready because today we are diving into one of the most powerful, luxurious, and adventure-ready RVs of the year, the 2025 Toyota Expedition RV Motorhome Camper. This beast is not just a vehicle, it's a full-on rolling smart home built for serious explorers who crave comfort without compromise. Toyota has delivered something extraordinary for 2025, and you're going to want to see every detail. Let's kick it off with the exterior design because the 2025 Toyota Expedition RV makes a statement the moment it hits the road. This is a bold, oversized motorhome with clean lines, a futuristic front grille, signature LED headlights, and aerodynamic sculpting that actually improves fuel efficiency. Despite its size, the design is sleek and modern with reinforced paneling and off-road styling that shows it's ready for any terrain you throw at it. Under the hood, Toyota didn't mess around. The Expedition RV packs a robust V6 turbocharged hybrid engine, delivering insane torque and solid horsepower that makes long-distance hauls feel like a breeze. This setup also gives it an excellent towing capacity, so you can bring extra toys like bikes, trailers, or even a boat along for the ride. It features advanced fuel management and regenerative braking, making it one of the most efficient large RVs in its class. And yes, four-wheel drive is an option, so you can conquer snowy mountains, muddy trails, and desert roads without breaking a sweat. Now let's step inside and prepare to be blown away. The interior of the 2025 Toyota Expedition RV is a masterclass in luxury and functionality. You're greeted with premium materials, soft touch finishes, LED ambient lighting, and an open concept layout that feels more like a modern condo than a camper. There's a spacious lounge with reclining seats and a panoramic roof window that lets in tons of natural light. The dining area features a smart foldable table, while the kitchen is fully loaded with a large refrigerator, induction stove, convection oven, microwave, and deep sink with filtered water system. Sleeping accommodations are next level. Depending on the layout you choose, you can sleep 4 to 6 people comfortably. There's a private master suite with a queen or king-size bed, memory foam mattress, under-bed storage, and wardrobe cabinets. Overhead bunks or convertible lounges provide extra sleeping space for guests or family. And the insulation system is top tier, ensuring you stay cozy in winter and cool in summer. And yes, the bathroom. We're talking about a full-size bathroom with a walk-in shower, flushing porcelain toilet, and modern vanity with backlit mirrors. Hot water is instant thanks to a tankless water heater, and with the large freshwater and grey water tanks, you're ready for long stints off the grid. Speaking of off-grid, the Expedition RV is packed with solar capabilities. Multiple solar panels mounted on the roof feed into a powerful lithium battery bank, giving you hours of power without needing a hookup. Combine that with an integrated inverter system, and you can run everything from your AC to your coffee machine with total independence. There's also satellite connectivity, 5G Wi-Fi, and a high-def entertainment system that includes a 50-inch smart TV, surround sound, and even a projector option. Safety and tech features. Toyota brings the heat. You get adaptive cruise control, collision warning, lane keep assist, emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a full 360-degree camera view. The digital cockpit lets you monitor vehicle health, route planning, solar input, battery levels, and more from a single touchscreen interface. There's also a smartphone app so you can control lights, temperature, and security remotely. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Toyota Expedition RV Motorhome starts around $130,000 and tops out near $165,000 for the fully loaded luxury edition. Yes, it's a premium price tag, but considering everything you're getting: a hybrid powertrain, off-grid capability, luxury living, and rugged performance, it delivers unmatched value in the Expedition RV category. This is more than a motorhome, it's your ticket to full freedom on the road, without ever sacrificing the comforts of home. Whether you're planning a coast-to-coast journey or setting up base in the mountains, The 2025 Toyota Expedition RV is built to handle it all in style. If you're loving this ride as much as we are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more epic vehicle reviews and road trip inspiration. Stay locked in with Autos Area, we've got more adventures coming your way.